Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1 2 Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Grammarly in your PC. So I have here Chrome browser, so I'm just going to Chrome and here search for grammarly.com. So here it says sign up, it's free or sign up with Google. So here I'm going to just sign up with Google. Just click on sign up with Google. And in here, you can just choose your Gmail account or use another. So I'm going to choose my Gmail account, which is contentify2@gmail.com. So here you have logged in Grammarly easily with your Gmail account in few seconds. So you are ready to use your Grammarly by just uploading your document or any word or paragraph and just replace it with another. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button.